Ready to unlock the power of instant automation by connecting your favorite apps with real-time triggers. Let's dive into how to use Webhook's N8n, transforming your workflows into reactive, event-driven powerhouses. First, open N8n and create a new workflow. Search for the Webhook node and drag it onto the canvas. This node will act as the listener for incoming events. In the Webhook node settings, you'll find a unique Webhook URL. Copy this address. Now, head over to the application you want to connect and find its Webhook settings, then paste the copied URL into the application's Webhook URL field. Back in N8n, click Execute Workflow, then select the test URL in your Webhook node. This will allow you to see the data that's sent when a Webhook event is triggered. Trigger an event in the external application, such as creating a new contact in your CRM or pushing code to GitHub. You should then see data appear in the Webhook node output, confirming your connection is working. Finally, connect the Webhook node to other nodes to process the incoming data and automate your desired actions, like updating a spreadsheet or sending a notification. Now, you are all set to automate in real time.